Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel SK Tech. In today's video I will show you how you can fix Huawei Honor BLN/L21 touch freezing. The touch freezes and touch got unresponsive after putting it on a charge. So the method is very easy. You can see the model Huawei model BLN/L21. It's Honor. You can see the phone. I already opened it. Let me show you. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 strips, and the fifth one is fingerprint scanner. So what you need to do is just remove the battery, put the battery connector off from the board and leave it for 3 to 2 seconds, and also take out the ribbon of the panel. That's the ribbon of the panel. So you have to put both of these out. So after putting both of these out, you just need to put it back like I am doing in video. And after putting this ribbon back, put in the battery or connect the battery connector to board and just press and hold the power button until the phone starts. You can see now the phone is starting. This issue comes out when we put it on a charge, like we put it on a charge and plug it to a as you can see guys, let me show you fixed or not. As you can see, now it's working fine. So it's a little bit slow but working fine. Yeah, you can see there it's a little bit slow but working fine, and this is the solution for this model. So If you like my video, then like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and select the all option, so you will get a future videos update on my channel. So let me know if this method works for you or not. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.